Hello, my name is Amy Chang. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about my nationality. I am Hmong. What is Hmong? Hmong is a small group of people that originated from the mountain region of China. We don't speak Chinese, we speak Hmong. In the 18th century, the Hmong escaped Chinese political and started populating in the southern country like Laos, Vietnam, Thailand, and Burma. After the Vietnam War and the Secret War, thousands of Hmong people fled out of Southern Asia and settled part of North America, Europe, Australia, and searched for a better life for themselves and their family. So that's what happened to my parent and I. Hello! In Hmong, hello is Nhó Rung. It's almost time to eat. I'm going to teach you how to speak Hmong. This is rice. Rice is mò. Mò. This is chicken. Chicken is gai gai. Gai gai. This is fish. Fish is gai jê. Gai jê. This is beef. Beef is gai nhu. Gai nhu. This is pork. Pork is gai bò. Gai bò. This is boiled green. Boiled green is rau hao. Rau hao. This is fried green. Fried green is rau ki. Rau ki. This is pepper. Pepper is guo zhao. Guo zhao. This is water. Water is day. Day. We're done setting up the table. It's time to come eat. Come eat is lo no mo. Lo no mo. Now I'm going to teach you how to say breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast is no chai. No chai. Lunch is no shu. No shu. Dinner is no more. No more. So how do you say come eat dinner? Lo no more. Lo no more. Thank you so much for watching. 我就被买心机的哦。